These highlighter gelatos and template set are perfect for highlighting on Bible pages and lots of other places. So let's start with the gelatos themselves. They are creamy pigment sticks. I'm going to take them out of the package here. And these are from Faber Castell, so that's a nice high quality line of media. Creamy pigment sticks that glide on vibrant color. Now, we know that about gelatos already, that they do that, but what's really cool about these is that, well, that they come with stencils, which I'll show you in a moment, and that they are highlighters. So I've got some text here on a paper, and I'm just going to highlight. And you can still see through it. So just like a highlighter, but it's still that creamy gelatos, and it dries pretty quickly. You can blend it a little bit before it dries completely. I can add another color to that and go over the next line, or you can still see through it even though it's a little darker. And you can blend them together. So now I've got an orange there because I blended the two colors. Plus you can use a baby wipe to blend those really nicely. So they're just kind of fun to play with. So, oh, maybe I want each one of these a different color just because they're important lines to remember. So anyway, really fun. I like blending the blue with the pink because then you'll get a purple. So I like the 4 different colors. I love that they're like highlighters so you can see through. You're also going to get 2 stencils with this kit. So let me move this over. You get one that you can highlight several different areas, smaller areas. You've got banners, you've got an arrow, fun little pieces here that are perfect for highlighting, like I said, in a journaling Bible or just a journal. So let me show you something that I've done with this. So I've got a journaling Bible here, and they were used like on a favorite passage. So you can use them in a Bible like this, and even though those pages are pretty thin, they're just going to work nicely. They're kind of fun. You can smear them around with your fingers and get some fun effects. Used the stencil for the heart and for the arrow, and then you can just play with your highlighters, blending over, layering. So that's pretty fun. Those colors, once they dry, they're not going to bleed or smear. And you can use them on calendars too. I thought that was a kind of an interesting idea. So a calendar to highlight some important points, or even as accents on cards and scrapbook pages. And those are the highlighter gelatos and template set.